1973, Joe Carbo published The Lazy Man's Way to Riches. 1973. This is 2023, and I'm about to show you inside of an account on a marketplace where I'm an affiliate, and I made $457.28 over the period of 3 days using what I call the top strategy, where you simply create a YouTube channel and you go through 3 phases to build a profitable online business. Those 3 phases are what I call my top strategy. That top strategy is built on the foundation of traffic, which is generated from YouTube. Then you pick an offer, which comes from an affiliate marketplace, and then you get people to purchase that offer. And when you do, again, like you see here, $457.28. And it all happened from me creating this YouTube channel. Now, today in 2023, when I say the lazy way to make $100 a day is to simply create a YouTube channel and then start creating content around a specific topic and staying on topic. And it's as simple as making videos, 1 video a week. And then when something comes along that you want to promote, you can see here I made a video on March 31st. I made a second video on March 31st. And then on April 3rd, I made a third video all promoting the same product that you see here that made me $457.28. Again, simply starting a YouTube channel, talking about a specific topic, and then that specific video, in this case over at my case study for my top strategy that I teach inside of my course Affiliating. Of course, there's a link in the description that shows you all about this. I simply show people how to use a piece of software. A software that I just lazily take my day and take my time to go through, learn how to use, and then simply walk people through how to use it, and then let them know what I like about it, what I don't like about it, how easy it is to use, or if I think it could be easier, my recommendation on what would make it easier, the things they need to learn, the things they need to understand before they dive into trying to use the software to do the thing that the software does, which is typically a shortcut. Another lazy way to make money online is just simply explaining to people, hey, this is what the thing does, this is what I think about it, and this is why I think you should pick it up. Link in the description. It's super simple to do. And then people watch your video, and when you go back and you look at the analytics of your video, not only are you making money from the actual marketplace, again, over a 3-day promotion, $457.28, but YouTube is also paying you as well. Estimated revenue, $103.43 to add to the money that I made as an affiliate, meaning that once I make a video, I keep getting paid for creating it by simply walking through the steps in my top strategy and setting up a YouTube channel as an affiliate marketer with the specific purpose of using YouTube as an affiliate marketer to generate traffic to my offers that people are going to buy, and then lazily creating content based upon the things I would do anyway. It honestly is that simple. It boils down to me talking about something that I would be looking at and playing around with on my computer anyway, and it made me $457.28 over a 3-day promotion and 3 videos that I created on my YouTube channel following my top strategy, 3 phases, traffic, offer, people. Link in the description. Check it out. I show you inside and exactly how I do that and how I am able to make $100 a day using this top strategy as an affiliate marketer. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later.